Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to use the lens flare effect in CapCut. First, let's open our CapCut, and as you can see, I already have a project opened. So let's say I want to add the lens flare on the first portion of this video. To do that, go to Effects and select Video Effects. Now the best base effect for creating lens flare is horizontal flash, but you may not find it often on your CapCut updated versions, so let's use the normal flash effect. Select it, and as you can see it's adjusted according to our video, and then tap on video effects again. Now select edge glow. Select the edge glow and it will appear at the bottom of your flash. Click on the glow and now tap on flash, adjust, and adjust the speed according to your liking. Let's say I want it slower a little bit, and then tap on the tick mark, and here you have your lens flare effect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.